So this is exactly what you're supposed to do if you go into a corner a little bit too fast. This happened today after following my buddy out in the twisties. So as you just saw going into the corner, he was coming into the corner, a little bit more speed than what he thought, so he stayed with the brakes. That brake light stayed on, stayed on, stayed on. Let's watch it again, and this time I'll do a voiceover. All right, everybody, check this out. So 2 things I want you to watch for as we're watching this again. So number 1, brake light just came on. So he's on the brakes, and it seems like he didn't pick up enough brake pressure because I'm slowing down and he's still kind of pulling away from me. So maybe it was just a little bit too light initially, like you need a little bit more. But he realized I'm going a little bit too quickly for my comfort, so what did he do? Number 1, most important thing, you stay on the damn brakes. Stay on the brakes. And number 2, look at that head turn. Look where you want to be going and keep on slowing that bike down. Right there, finally he got off the brakes, but his head's still looking where he wants to go. Stayed with the brakes, remained calm, didn't do anything crazy with his body, and just did not give up. So never ever give up if you go into a corner too hot. Stay with those damn brakes, keep on pointing your nose, looking where you want to go. That was a picture perfect reaction. So if you find yourself going into a corner too hot, stay 0 throttle, stay on the brakes, and even increase brake pressure a little bit, as long as you don't grab. Stay with the brakes, stay with the brakes. Keep on looking where you want to be going, just like he did. Stay with those damn brakes. Don't give up on the brakes. Don't give up. Keep on braking, keep on slowing down. Get that bike to where you want it to go.